It's a weekender comparison. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle. In this video, I am going to be doing a comparison video that one of you guys requested. If you are new here, my name is Rochelle, Rockstar Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love this video, give it a big like if it totally helped you out. Once this video hits 100, I'm going to do a giveaway, and your way of getting in on the giveaway is liking it and making a comment down below. You can comment the number you like, or comment something that you found very valuable in this video. To better help you out, I am also going to link all the things described down below, all the products, and also if you want to know further details like the specific sizing and all that stuff, linked down below. So let's get right to it. So first and foremost, this is the Away for the Weekender compared to our Deluxe Travel Tote. All right, right off the bat, the main difference between the two is the fabric. All right, our Away for the Weekenders are made of like our canvas cloth. Feels like a t-shirt, feels like tough pants kind of feel, right? Whereas our Deluxe Travel Tote, I'm gonna be flip-flopping, okay? I apologize for the words, okay? But sometimes I get tongue-tied, okay? Who gets tongue-tied? It's made of like this windbreaker, a polyester material. You can hear it, okay? So for off the bat, the material of majority of these of this tote is that windbreaker, lightweight. If you 80s 90s ladies, the windbreaker, the windbreaker kind of feel, right? However, the straps to this is that durable cotton or double canvas weave. It's similar in both of these. All right, so material is different. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dive on this one first. Okay, I will link down below again all the current prints. This print is not currently available, but there are a lot of other totally fun prints on this. The main basic size of this is kind of like a square or maybe a rectangle. Okay, yes, you can personalize it and it would go right there. As you can see, you do have a large, super large front pocket, big enough for one of our medium travel case that you can put right in front there. Okay, so that's big enough for that. I will show you how you can save on how you can shop and get these large weekender bags for 50% off. Okay, so stay tuned. And I'm also gonna stuff them, all right, so you can see how they look. So yes, one of our weekender bags one of our medium-sized travel cases can fit in front of this. A large notebook can fit right in front of this. I put my iPad, a small laptop can fit right in front. So if you're traveling, if you want to get access to it, you can put all your important documents and all that stuff right in the front. And yes, it zips up. Nothing on the outsides, okay? Besides that, there's nothing on the back except some cute detailing. Nothing on the side, okay? As you can see, you can wear this as a shoulder, or you can do it as a crossbody, however you're comfortable with. Yes, it is adjustable, and yes, these are removable, okay? On the inside, zipper up, okay? On the inside, I packed a large packing cube in here along with a medium and a small, so you can fit a tons of things. I'm gonna post a video up above with a pack with me that I did where I packed maybe 6 days of stuff for this bag just for a weekend trip, okay? You do have a small pocket right in here, okay? Nothing else on the inside, all right? So very basic, pocket on the inside, huge pocket on the outside. You can wear a strap. You could choose the type of straps, okay? This is Away for the Weekender bag, okay? Or weekender bag down below. I'll link it down below, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the Deluxe Traveling Tote. It comes in several different colors. I have two of the three. Again, same material. I'm going to focus more on this one, okay? Just because you can see it more clearly than on the black. Deluxe Traveling Tote. This one is leveled up, okay? If you want a nice, functional, very usable, okay? One, the material, I love it. Nice and lightweight, okay? Off the bat, it is definitely lighter than the other one because that one's mainly made of cloth. Think of jeans, like that thickness and that heaviness. It's the same concept of that, where this is like that windbreaker lightweight jacket, okay? On the front, personalization will go right here. You have a smaller pocket, which you can cinch close, all right? On the back side, you do have another pocket if this is zipped up, okay? You have to zip this up in order for you to have the pocket. because I'll show you why in a few minutes what the zipper does. Then you have a cell phone case holder right here where you have a hole right here. So if you need to be charging your device, you can put your portable charger on the inside and feed the wiring through so that you can keep your cell phone on the outside so you can always have easy access to it, okay? Those are the specs in terms of the outside. Again, another thing that is different about this is it does have a bottom compartment. It's not necessarily hard, but it is firmer. I want to say maybe there's a foam of some sort in order for this to keep its structure. I have noticed and I've heard from other consultants and customers that you do have to have something at the bottom in order for this to stand. Like, it will not stand on its own, as you can see. These totes are made to be flexible, work with what's in it so that you can travel comfortably, okay? You do have this bottom compartment that fits shoes, fits some of our traveling accessories, which I'll show you here in a moment. And just to keep things separate, if you want to put like again, your shoes, maybe your toiletries, something firmer at the bottom, a great thing. Just like the other tote, you can wear this as a shoulder bag. Another thing that I love about this is the added perk of you can be able to snap these together. So again, to give you that extra durability and easy for you to grab it. So you can snap these together so that you can have a nice formed strap right there. And you can wear this also as a crossbody where you would put it right here. Another thing about this tote, another perk is that it has the added perk of expanding for all those who like to go home with more stuff than what they go to their trip on. So you have this added layer, added inches of room here. So when you zip it up, you can either use it or not, or it disappears. Again, this material is just so lightweight. It's kind of like a parachute. It reminds me of a parachute. On the inside, I'm telling you, this is the tote that keeps on giving. You have a large pocket right here. It is Velcro closed. This is, it's also padded. This part is padded. This again would be a great compartment for your iPad, your laptop, your tablet. You can put it right here on this side, okay? And it just Velcro snaps, okay? On the other side, you do have another pocket, not as large, but still big enough to put a lot of stuff in there, okay? Where you would also put, this is where that charging device would go because it feeds right through. Another pocket here, and then you have these two mesh kind of bungee pockets. You can put your drinks in there, maybe some things that you want to keep secure right on the inside, all right? So that is the Deluxe travel tote in a nutshell. So I'll be right back and let me go ahead and pack these guys with a few things, all right? Okay guys, I am packed with nowhere to go. So I did a rough packing for each of these, okay? Again, I will put in the description all the things that are in here. So as you can see, this is how they look like when they're somewhat filled, okay? Oh God, this is heavy. So again, depends on how you like and how the look and the functionality of these, okay? So let's start with the Weekender. Again, super basic tote or getaway bag, okay? For me, I think this is more of like an overnight bag because I tend to overpack. But in here, I will tell you this. I have a stuffed large packing cube stuffed with things, and also our travel case, okay? This is our travel case. Both of them fit in here nicely and with plenty of room to spare, okay? So if you need structure, if you're like, oh, I like the other one because it has more pockets, a great tip is to get more organized with this, because it is a simpler thermal or a simpler tote. Is to get the organization or accessory traveling stuff. So here again this is the packing cube. This is huge. You have space right here, and then you also have the case. Again, you could probably fit a lot more in here. If you watched my video, again, 6 days I was able to pack in this tote with the help of the packing cubes, okay? So again, the packing cubes, super lightweight. You can personalize it, and it has like a little vented area so you can see which items are in it, all right? And then this is our travel case, which is made of that a water resistant polyester feeling. I love the see-throughness so that you can see what's in here, and it also has a handle so you can pull it right out. Okay, so in here you can put your hygiene stuff. So right here I have, you can put a pocket right here, you can put your brushes right here, then you have 2 extra flaps for more organization, but here are like full-size stuff. All right, so I have a full-size contact lens, some mousse, and then like my deodorant. So again, full size, can totally fit in this with so much more. All right, so depending on how you want to organize this, travel case does fit well. Okay, so that's just a rough guesstimate on how the Away for the Weekender can pack. Now let me go show you what the traveling case or the deluxe travel tote will look like. Okay, I stuffed a book right in front so you guys can see the size comparison of that. Can I stick it back here? Absolutely. It's kind of like the same pocket, right? Oh, I forgot to mention, what's so great about this is that you can totally unzip this, and now it can go on your trolley. So this will sit on your luggage trolley. I call it a trolley, I call it a rolling case, but you know the handles, I forgot to mention, this is one of the perks for this, is that the handles, you can stick it on there and it can securely stay in place, all right? So in this one, on the bottom, I packed a traveling pouch. So the traveling pouches come in 2. The clear one fits great in here. So this is the clear one. Again, I love the clear. I'll be showcasing a hack that I found with this one for all you guys who need a clear bag. But you can put the clear tilt right here with extra room to spare. And as you can see, it gives that added stability at the bottom. I love how this is double zipped, so I can go on both sides to find the zipper. On the inside, what I have in here are the other packing cube. This is the one that comes in color. It's a smaller pouch, not a packing cube. The travel cases. So the clear one was here, you get 2 for 1. And you could fit that in the small pocket right here. So maybe a makeup bag, hygiene bag, something that you can slip right in the big, and then you can grab it whenever you need access to it, okay? That slips right here in that back pocket. In here, I have a medium and a small packing cube, okay? So again, easy organization with plenty of room to spare, right? So let's see if we can pack all 3 in here. Yes, you can fit all 3 in here. I love the material of this because it's like stuffing socks. You know, socks you could stick and it's so moldable. This material just like works with you. So I could fit all 3, small, medium, large, in the packing cubes, okay? I hope that comparison video does help you. Please let me know down below if it's helped you shop this, which one you would like. Again, when it comes down to it, the logistics of it is a material, whether you like a canvas or this polyester kind of lightweight material, and the functionality. This one definitely has more perks and more functions, but some of you guys would like something that's more simple, right? All you need is just to stick a couple things in there and boom, you're gone. Those are like the main highlighting points. If you want to get in on like the specific sizes and stuff, again, I linked all of them down below, as well as the updated prints and colors that these guys come in. If you're loving any of these, again, the best way to save, as I mentioned, is to grab and add the accessories, the travel accessories first to your cart. When you get to $50, it will unlock one of these guys for 50% off. All right, that is like the best special. You can build your own bundle, as I like to say, or you can put one of these totes in it, and then you will get another one for 50% off. Don't worry about the math. Our system will work it out for you. So just add $50 to your cart and one of the items will be 50% off. Like I said, suggest starting with the accessories and then making one of these guys at 50% off, all right? If you're loving anything and you're growing that cart, and you hit to $200, reach out to me, reach out to your consultant. We can set you up with a shopping link of one where you can not only shop for yourself, but also get the rewards. Why not, right? Think of like the rewards perk for any store that you have. That is our term, that is our version of rewards perks. Or if you just want to simply place an order, my mystery hostess link is down below. Once that party hits $500, I announce the winner. It's 2022, the year of you. So I'm spreading love in terms of all those reward perks. Why $500? Because at the $500 level, the rewards double and you unlock the insider special of the month. For this month of May, it is $20 for that pick up and go tote with that fancy sand resistant mat, right? Now, if you're just loving everything and you can't decide for yourself and you want to get everything off at 20% off, because you can, join for $1 for the month of May. I'd be honored if you join me, and you can unlock the discount immediately. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I can answer all the questions for you. I'm planning big things for Team Possible for the next fiscal year. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button so you can join me live on Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. You do a live chat with me and the other bag babes in this community, and you'll get notified, okay? Give this video a big like and comment down below so you get entered into this video's giveaway. And I'll see you in the next video. Check out these playlists that I got for you. Ta-ta!